Hi everyone, my name is Brittany from Tackle It with Britt here on YouTube, and today I am here with HomeGlow, and we are back with 5 more cleaning hacks everyone should know. These tips are not only effective but super convenient using everyday supplies. These tricks are sure to blow your mind. Hack number 1 is shaving cream for sparkling mirrors. Have you ever wondered how to keep your mirrors spotless and fog-free? Here is your trick. Apply shaving cream all over your mirror in an even layer, then wipe it away with a clean cloth. Not only does this trick keep your mirror streak-free, it also prevents it from fogging up during steamy showers. Hack number 2 is using rubbing alcohol and an old sock to clean your shutters. When it comes to cleaning the shutters around my home, using rubbing alcohol is my secret weapon. You will get a spray bottle and mix equal parts rubbing alcohol and water. Why I especially love using rubbing alcohol for the shutters is it is a disinfectant, and B, it dries super quickly, so any dust that is laying on the shutters can get absorbed and cleaned quickly with the rubbing alcohol. I like to use a sock for this method, and that is because I can wrap it around my hand and easily get both sides of the shutters, but you could also use a microfiber cloth for this hack as well. This is quick, efficient, and leaves your shutters looking brand new. Hack number 3 is to use baking soda, boiling water, and dish soap to clean vent filters. Overhead vent filters can get greasy and grimy over time, but cleaning them does not have to be a hassle. Here's what you do. You boil some water, add some dish soap and a sprinkle of baking soda, remove the vent filters, and allow them to soak in the boiling water mixture. After a good soak, give them a rinse and watch the grime disappear. There may be some trouble spots left over, which you can use a kitchen scrub brush, but it should easily come off after the vents have been soaking. Hack number 4 is using essential oils for fresher vacuuming. Give your vacuuming routine a fragrant upgrade by adding a few drops of essential oils to your vacuum's filter before you start cleaning. Not only will it leave your home smelling amazing, but it also helps neutralize odors trapped in your vacuum. Hack number 5 is using hydrogen peroxide on wood cutting boards. Wood cutting boards are kitchen essentials, but they can harbor a lot of bacteria if not properly cleaned. Here is a simple solution to clean and disinfect your wood cutting board. You are going to get a spray bottle and mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. spray the surface of the cutting board and allow it to sit for a few minutes. After it has been left to sit, you will wipe the board clean with a cloth dampened with water and dish soap. This trick not only cleans and sanitizes the cutting board, it also helps remove stubborn stains. Of course, you can always save time on your cleaning tasks with the professionals on HomeAglow. Find a top-rated and affordable cleaner to do the work for you. And there you have it, 5 surprising cleaning hacks that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. I hope that you have found these hacks helpful. If you would like more tips and cleaning hacks, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you again soon. Bye.